Hey YouTube, these are some of my rookie class. I'll show you the known players. We got Andrew Cogliano, Jonathan Bernier, got Mark Stahl, we got Peter Murley, got Francis Nielsen, we got Kyle Chipchura, got Brian Elliott,
What's this?
It's a videotape.
Jonathan Toles, Sam Gagner, Jack Johnson, got Gary Price,
That's right. Happy birthday, sir. What
got Eric Johnson, and we got Nicholas Backstrom and Brian Little. Thanks for watching, and I'd like to give a shout out to Mac Johnson. Soon we'll be making a trade, so yeah, thanks for watching.